Very nice.
Shush.
Takeoff flaps.
Yeah, I think that's it. We'll see. Taxi out! You just land. I don't have to mind, just land.
Taking off.
No, we can't take off yet.
Timer cleared.
Okay, go. Yeah.
Going out.
Flaps up.
Yeah, that was it. Whoa! Whoa! Feel it on too.
Flaps up.
Alright, that's better.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Really bumpy.
Gear down.
There we go. We're good.
Oh,
Gear up.
We're good.
Gear down.
Yeah, that's
Gear
good.
up.
Good. I'm not going to do it anymore. I don't want to overheat my landing gear. I look out for Mike. He's flying crazy. I've got plenty of time. I haven't done any throttle. Mike, we're doing a pass. Yes. That wasn't very low, but
30 seconds.
low pass.
9, 8,
Go up.
7,
Oh,
6,
Sorry.
5,
I'm coming back the other way.
3, 2,
Oh my God, Mike, come on. You gotta
time
pay.
expired.
low pass. Stop.
Mike. Look out for Mike.
Low pass. Right to left.
Heads up. The only way to be. All right, we're gonna land. I'm gonna land.
1 minute over.
There you go.
Oh, my canopy came off.
Oh shit. You find it? Okay.
Gear down.
It's alright, let him come in. It's in the middle left of the runway. Don't hit it. Middle left. I'm coming in. Hold on, I'm coming in. Hold on. I know. I remember where it was. Alright, that worked. Flight modes are cool. Yeah, I'm admitting it. That was a simple setup. That's not complicated. That was easy. I did. Yeah. You can leave it out. I was gonna go get it. Thank you. Yeah, that was mine. I overheated it. Thank you.